Hi, welcome back. So I recently asked for you guys to really give me some questions that I can help answer and make your lives a little bit easier. So here's one that I got from you. How do I do all this cleaning stuff and work? So if you have a full-time job, that's okay. One of the ways you can really do this is you're really gonna have to figure out how to go and fit this in your schedule. A lot of your routines you can still do. Those are definitely gonna be helpful things for you, and it's basically gonna maintain the house. A lot of your zone cleaning and decluttering and your daily stuff, you're gonna have to really figure out where you can fit that in. Is it your days off? How are you still going to have time for the family? You can still do it. I promise you can still do it. So it's really just trying to go and find out what's gonna work best with your work schedule and then also your family schedule. Plan it out. So for me, I did my weekly home blessing on the day that I knew that most of my family wasn't going to be there. And that way, that was nice. I didn't have to worry about anyone being there, getting in my way, right? But if you don't have that luxury, that's okay. Do it on like a Saturday or a Sunday. It's only gonna take an hour. It might not even take an hour. Get the kids to help you, if they're old enough, of course. Just have, tell them to go do the mirrors. Go do the mirrors and are done. You can also take that weekly home blessing and break it up over all of the days, because each task isn't really gonna go and take a full 10 minutes. There's many ways that you could do this. You're just gonna have to really figure out how is it gonna fit into your schedule and how are you gonna be able to maintain all of it. It just takes planning, that's it. So hopefully that answered it for you. And if you want, check out one of my other videos. I have one on the right. And if you want to be notified the next time that I have another video out, go ahead and click on my face to the left and hit the bell notification icon. So that way you could be notified the next time I have one out. You have a wonderful day.